Yeah, in my last video on the cleaning and the regeneration service regen, I forgot to do the other video showing which sensor I changed out to make this all get fixed. So let's get under here and I'll do a quick video just holding my camera of what I changed out. Okay, so this is the actual sensor. This is the diesel particulate filter sensor. 15/16 fits it. Okay. Obviously this did not take out the old like this. So what I had to do was I cut the old sensor off enough that I could get a long socket on here good. Try to find a 6-point if you can. Spray it spray it really well, let it sit for a while. If you have room to put some kind of snubby impact on this and give it some hits, that'll help. It wasn't easy to get off, a lot of leverage, but you know, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes of playing with it and I got it off. And that wire runs through a holder. Let me get to point with. You have a little holder there to pry. Actually, it slips out the top. Okay, these release off the top and you can pull the cable up. I put this one in right there, that tie, just to kind of keep it up there. I put this one on to keep this cable high. I can't remember if one broke off or not, but I did a little wrap up here with a tie. And then so this connector doesn't come off. You can see this well. This connector stays with the sensor module, whatever. It's all combined. This is your plug that comes off to the truck. Okay, that comes up, follows the frame up in here, and I added a snap here. Is that one that goes through the hole? It could be. I don't remember doing that, but that might be one that I added to go through the hole. It's one of those little grabs, push grabs. Anyway, that's it. If I can get my light closer, and I'll maybe show you a separate shot of that Bosch, or I could turn the camera around. Maybe that helps. We'll play with that. 12685369 is the number I bought. That does not match what was on there from the factory. I believe they changed numbers. Had a hard time finding that match through GM sites everywhere. Finally, I found a hit, and then I called the dealer to verify it. I did end up buying it from the dealer because I was desperate for time to get it on for a trip. And it was expensive. It wasn't cheap. I don't know, it was somewhere around, I want to say 180 bucks or somewhere around there. Anyway, so that's where that is. Okay, that's the, and then here's obviously your diesel particulate filter with its temp sensors coming in and out, and they go up here. I'm assuming that's temp. That might be some kind of airflow sensor, having two lines like that. Maybe that's an airflow piece where they detect flow through it. But that's it right there. And looks like some kind of maybe that's a temp sensor up front, and this might be a temp sensor in the back right here. So yeah, these are probably some kind of flow stream sensor readings, so it can figure out how clogged it is. And then it has this aft sensor, of course, that I changed. And I guess that's the final particulate soot reading that it picks up off of that one. So anyway, that's what I changed out that worked. So I hope that helps you out.